Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are creating a full glam rodeo makeup look. All my rodeo girls, I got you. So if you want to see how I created this makeup look, then continue watching. Okay, let's get right into this full glam rodeo look. So first we will always start with our primer. Then we'll go in with our foundation. Today I'm going to use the CoverGirl Outlast Stay Fabulous foundation. I've used this in a couple videos now. Okay, now that our foundation is all blended out, we will go in with our concealer, using what I always use, the Instant Age Rewind by Maybelline. Now that that's all blended out, I'm going to go ahead and fill in my brows off camera, so I'll see you in a second. Okay, now that our brows are filled in, we're going to go in and warm up our face with some Hoola Benefit bronzer. For my cheekbones, I'm going to take this mermaid angled brush that has cat hair on it. I need to get this off. Like, how did they get to my makeup brushes? Okay, much better. Tap that in there. Okay, then we'll go on with our big fluffy brush and we will warm up our forehead. Okay, then we'll just go in with that same big fluffy brush, tap it in there lightly. We're just going to go over this contour to kind of, oops. Okay, now that we're done with bronzing, we are going to set our under eyes very lightly. Just a little sweeping motion. A little on our eyelids. Okay, now we are going to do our eyeshadow. So since this is a rodeo full glam look, we're going to go in with our ColourPop palette. I'm not sure the name of this palette, actually. No, it doesn't say. But super pretty, mauve-y purples. And we're going to go in and create a Rodeo Glam eye makeup. So the first thing I need... So we're actually going to also use this Urban Naked palette because I would like to prep the eye with this light shade. So we're going to go in first and put that shade all over our lid. Okay, now we're going to go in with this mauve purple and just work it super lightly into the crease of our eyelid. I'm going to go in with this Urban Decay brush. Work that all into the crease. Bring it out to the corner of the eye. Gosh, every time I use these brushes, I don't know why I don't like them. I'm going to switch back to this fluffy brush. Okay, I'm going to bring that color down into the crease a little more. Okay, do the same on the other eye. Okay, now there's this deep, deep purple. I'm going to take that. I'm going to put it ever so slightly in the crease. Just below the crease, actually. Pack it into that outer corner. Okay, now I'm going to go into the inner corners of my eyes with a little bit of Sin and Sidecar. Actually, wait, hold that thought. I'm going to put Sidecar on the lid right here and Sin in the inner corner. So with the deeper metallic Sidecar, I'm just kind of pressing it onto that lid. Okay, now we're going to go back in with this mauve-y pinkish purple. We're going to put that on along our under eye. Okay, now we're going to go in with our mascara, and I am going to be using the Urban Decay Perversion Mascara. Normally I'd throw false eyelashes on, but I just don't have any with me right now. So we're just going to go for the mascara look. Okay, and one thing we forgot to do earlier was take this light shimmery color and I'm going to put it on my brow bone. Take this flat brush, get some of that color on there. Yes. Okay, now we are going to go in and put our lipstick on. I'm trying to decide between my Revlon Color Burst in shade 225 and my Milani Matte Naked. I think we're going to go in with the Milani Matte Naked. You guys already know how much I love these Milani colors. Just apply that. Okay. Nobody knows what just happened. Stick that right back in there. Alright, and our final step is just to take our Urban Decay setting spray and just spray this puppy all over. Alright, and there you have it, our final Rodeo Glam Makeup. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment down below on what video you'd like to see next. So I hope you enjoyed this and we'll see you next time.